Hi friends, this is our second video for Vedic maths. In this video, we should discuss about the subtractions by using the complement method. Before going to do that subtractions, first we need to know what is the complement. Complement, not complement, complement. What is the complement? For 1, how much should be added to get 10? How much should be added to get 10? How much? 9. If we add 9 to 1, you will get the sum 10. That's why the complement for 1 is 9 and the complement for 9 is 1. For 2, you have to add 8. If you add 2 to 8, you will get the sum 10. Next for 3, if you add 7. If you add 7, you will get the answer 10. For 4, if we have to add 6. So what is the complement for 4? 6. And again what is the complement for 6? 4 only. For 5, you have to add 5 only. These are the complements. In these complements we have to do another one also. How many fingers we have? 10 fingers. If you close one finger, how many fingers are open? 9 fingers. So the complement for 1 is 9. If you close 2 fingers, how many fingers are open? 8 fingers. So the complement for 2 is 8 and the complement for 8 is 2. If you close 3 fingers, how many fingers are open? 7. The complement for 3 is 7 and the complement for 7 is 3 only. If you close 4 fingers, how many fingers are open? 6. So the complement for 4 is 6 and the complement for 6 is 4 only. If you close 5 fingers, remaining fingers are 5 only. So the complement for 5 is 5. This is here we should know about the two terms, that is the matching combination and another one is the mismatching combinations. Going to matching combinations, here we can do subtract easily 1 from the 2. That's why this is called the matching combinations. Let us see, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4 minus 2 is 2 only. Directly we can do the subtraction. Then next here also we can do easily subtract 3 from the 6. That's why this is also called the matching combination. 6 minus 3 is 3 only and 5 minus 2 is 3. Next 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. These are the matching combination problems. Now move on to the mismatching combination. Here we can't do subtract 8 from the 5. So that's why this is called the mismatching combinations. So in mismatching combinations, what we have to do? First we should write the complement for 8. What is the complement for 8? 2. So write complement of 8 and this complement you can add to the upper number. 5 plus 2 is 7. And here you should write 3. Instead of 3 you should write 2. Why? Because this is the mismatching pair. That's why you have to do subtract 1 from the previous number. So this is our answer. Our answer is 27. So let us see another example. First you should write 4 as it is. And here 1 minus 5 is not possible. This is the mismatching combinations. That's why first we should write the complement for 5. What is the complement for 5? 5. This complement you can add to the upper number. 5 plus 1 is 6. So here you can do subtract minus 1 from the previous number. Why? Because this is the mismatching pair. Our answer is 36. Here we can do directly. Here you should write 1 directly. Why? Because 3 and 6 is the mismatching pair. That's why you can subtract 1 from the previous number. You should write 1 here directly. And here what is the complement for 6? Complement for 6 is 4. You can add these 4 to the upper number. 4 plus 3 is 7. Our answer is 17. Here you can observe one thing. What is that? In general subtraction we have to do subtractions from right to left, but here we should do subtractions from left to right. Okay, next let us go to another sum. Here also 3 minus 7 is mismatching pair, that's why here you can subtract minus from here. 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Next here what is the complement for 7? 3. You can add 3 plus 3 6. Our answer is 26. Next here also 5. This is the mismatching pair, that's why you can do subtract minus 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Next what is the complement for 9? 1. You can add 1 to the upper number. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is our answer. In next video we should learn 3 digit subtractions and 4 digit subtractions.